at that time, of course, read what the charges were, the police sworn statement about what had happened that day, which is a sad and frightening thing to have happened. At that time, Mr. Baquiring had not made the decision to plead guilty. He was set for trial. I did ask about the co-defendant, that's you. Again, I didn't know you, but I wondered what had happened with the other case. So, again, a particular loop has been closed by the decision that you made to plead guilty. We understand that, particularly for a person who's young, as you are, and for a person with no criminal history, this is something that was very difficult for you to do. Apologizing in open court is also not an easy thing. It was the right thing to do, but that doesn't mean that it was easy. And so I do appreciate that. Perhaps it would make you feel better to know that Mr. Mohammed also took responsibility and apologized to the family. He apologized to his own family. And his attorney said similar things, that he was not experienced with alcohol, and that particularly in combination that this alcohol was, that it produced this terrible result. We all learn in the course of our lives that an apology is an appropriate beginning to put something behind us. To take responsibility is very important. Nothing can undo what has happened. Mr. McClellan was very seriously injured. He's even younger than you. The good news is that gives him a lot of time to get well, but it is not fast, and of course we can't tell other people how to heal themselves or when they should be better. You have a long sentence facing you, and that is appropriate, but you also have lots of life beyond that. I'm sorry that your family is not here. I hope that they will be strength and support for you, because you deserve that, just as everyone does. We will hope that, just as you had no prior criminal history, that there'll be no criminal history in the future. I think you have the opportunity to show yourself, and of course others, that that is possible. The court will impose 48 months of confinement on the robbery. The 24 months enhancement for the weapon that was present that day is mandatory. The court will also impose 12 months of confinement on the malicious harassment, but that runs at the same time. That is concurrent. I hope you are familiar with that legal term.